Hi face yogis, today I want to share what is the reason of loosening the chin contour, and in this video you will see how to prevent it. It might surprise you, but the reason is the muscle called Masseter, which is here. It is the strongest muscle in the human body. Those massages are okay, but they are not enough. The reason of this is a spasm or hypertonus of the muscle Masseter. You will find this muscle when you grit your teeth. See? If this muscle is in hypertonus, it shrinks. So then the skin has nothing to hold on and it falls down. And if this is the reason of the chin condition, then just the massage is not enough. So we relax the masseter muscle. So first you open the mouth. And slowly pull down. I do it slowly and deep. You don't need any oil. It's great if you feel pain there, exactly here. The best massaging tool is your hand. Do this move every day and let me know the progress. See you in the next one.